Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a trading password within your KuCoin account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KuCoin application on your device. And once you open it up, make sure that you are logged in using your email address or your phone number and password. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, if you haven't already set up a trading password within your account, then in order to do this, just tap on your account icon at the top left corner. Now from this page, tap on security, and now you will see various different security options. Just tap on the trading password option, and now you will be asked to use a verification code. Tap on the send button to receive a verification code within your email address or your phone number. After tapping on this button, just check your inbox and you will find your verification code. Just enter this code within the given box, and you will now be told that a trading password is different from a two-factor authentication code. Just tap on got it, and now you will be allowed to create your trading password. This is supposed to be a 6-digit code, so just type in your preferred 6-digit PIN number and then type it in once again for confirmation. You can then tap on the activate button, and this will now create your trading password successfully. Now anytime you make a trade, you will need to use this trading password or PIN number that you have just set. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up a trading password on your KuCoin account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.